How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Wild and Hungry. Today we're going cliff fishing. We're going to be going to White Cliffs in Taranaki. It's a spot that we fish quite often through the summer months. Being end of winter, start of spring, it might be a little bit different. We are still expecting to see the odd snapper, gurnard, and there's always kahawai there in the burley trail. So I'm just waiting for Corey and Blake, and then we'll see you on the cliff. Don't worry, the fish. You're right. I wonder if I can pull them right up. Right, here we are. Never do this with your rods. We're not going home hungry. Not a massive one, but we'll take it. Oh, he spun my line around a bit. Good little eater. Can't complain with that. I'm only taking him because we haven't caught fish in a little while, so be a nice change. And he steps up and he casts. Did he duff it? Did he cross over every one of our lines? It looks like it, eh? It's close. Now I'm going to have to bleep that swear word out.
Should be used to that by now. You've been fishing with me.
Yeah, editing's a lot of fun.
Just can't put any footage on with me in it.
It's great. Yeah. I don't know that the algorithm likes hillbillies.
It's a lie, mate. Everyone's into it these days. And then they come up to the bag.
Yeah, it comes up on the
Oh,
side.
there you go. So down to the right there, isn't it?
Yeah, he's grey. He's a real grey one. Another kahawai in the burley. Bit better size. It's alright. It's definitely a feed there now. Got a big stingray down in the bag. I'll try and zoom in and show you, but at the moment we're just
right now.
it's not there right now. At the moment it's all
More
just
kahawai,
picky things. It's alright.
I saw 2 more kahawai.
A few more kahawai it is.
There's a good one down there too.
Oh, don't tell me that.
That's good. Good fish. Your big one.
Hey?
Your big one's going as well.
Did you just pick that flake or?
Nah. I might need the net.
Might need the net. Listen to it.
I don't know if this little reel's going to pull it up, man. Little snapper.
Little snapper.
You going to pull it up by hand?
The sensible thing to do. Oh, good size. Well, nice penny anyway.
Good little fish.
Good stuff.
On tuna.
On the tuna. Thanks to the cameraman.
It is just hot for something.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it's pretty good with the snapper, eh? It's coming in weird.
No.
No? belly?
What is that? No, it's like a rockfish. Wow. Look at that, bro. Bloody hell. Must have casted right on a reef. Don't want that fish. He's gone back. Unless Corey wants him. Corey, off camera, do you want him?
Pulling it up.
Yeah, it's right. What do you reckon it is?
Snapper.
No, another snapper. Oh, he swam off on an angle. Nope, kahawai.
Is it?
Yep. I don't think the GoPro's going to pick this up, but he's just kahawai. Blake, can you watch the rods, bro? I just got to pull this up. Alright. Sorry, viewers. Oh, Corey's going to try. Let's see if an Avenger can hold up to it. Okuma, this is a good... Oh, yeah. Good one.
Yeah, we'll take that.
Take that.
3 species.
Look at that. Gurnard, snapper, and 3 kahawai. Yo, and now I'm getting bites. Oop. Any more? That's on that change of light, eh?
Snapper.
Any energy on him. I'll take you. Thank you very much. Not a bad one. Nice eater. There's obviously a few of them around. Going for the old, ooh. Put my fingers in his mouth just then. He almost got me. Right. Not a massive one. Now a very stunned one.
Make sure that goes in the video.
Yeah. But a good eater. I'm happy with that. I'm guessing it's a kahawai, given the fact that he's a kahawai. Nice kahawai though. And surface. Gonna winch him up.
Steve doesn't appreciate the red white screens.
Nor does Blake by the looks of it. You know I could just hold it up for you, bro. Oh, he foul hooked it through the gill plate. Just swing it up. Good work, bro. Ah, another swear word. Oh! He just came off the hook there. Blake is so fortunate. Oh, there goes mine. You get some glow tips on these rods because it's getting harder to see. It looks pretty light for you guys, but it's actually dark. The camera's doing a good job actually. Nice fish there, Blake.
Yeah, not bad.
Can't complain with that. Well, looks like we're all eating fish, which is good. Be nice if there are a few more gurnard, but that's okay. We've got a few. Can't complain with that. Corey's relentless. A little gurnard. I'm still trying to get the glow sticks on my on my rod, and Corey won't stop. No, he got an eel.
Oh no.
Hey, guess what else likes tuna? Eels.
That's not a good sign. Oh, that's handy though.
Oh, he's self-released. It is handy. All right, get these glow sticks on here. Yeah, I'm going to have to put the camera down to put this one on. But yeah, getting a few more fish now, which is nice. And in Corey's case, eels. And you watch, he'll probably catch a big stingray, which is what he normally does. And takes up an hour of our time. Hey, Blake.
Yeah.
No, it's a good, beautiful night now. Not happy. Whatever it was just ran me straight into a rock. And he's not even on there anymore. Oh.
You still feel it?
Nah, I'm saying he's not even on there anymore.
Oh, I?
Oh well, it's alright. There we are, Blake, it's another half hour.
Half hour? Hour?
Oh, was it an hour, was it?
Yeah.
Corey, can you go drop my other rod down, please, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Someone didn't bring a head torch.
I could have, but it would have been flat.
You just drop it down, bro, and then if you can push it.
Just slip over.
Alright. Oh look, there goes a bit of squid. Alright, so it slowed a little bit down with the change of light, but they're still here, which is nice. It's been a good little trip actually. We've caught a few snapper, one gurnard, quite a few of these kahawai, which is nice. Yeah. Hey guys, if you like the action, don't forget to like and subscribe, and probably see you on the next one if we don't catch anything else.
Looks good.
Oh, is it a schooler kahawai, is it?
Kahawai.
Kahawai, yeah. So while I'm dealing to my one over here, Blake's gone and caught one. Oh, you crossed over mine. Corey, can you just drop my rod, please?
In the water or?
Don't know. Did you want to go for a swim? That could be arranged. You gonna haul it? Or you gonna get Corey to?
Maybe pull it up, man. Yeah, it's
okay.
a bit of a mission last time.
Oh, the language. Sorry, viewers.
Here, but just keep the light on me. That's all.
You got the light on you. When you go in the water, we won't have the light on you.
How good's the stuff against rocks?
We'll find out, I guess. Yeah.
Look at that.
Try and pull that up.
Oh, there goes my rod.
I didn't step on it.
That's alright. Look at that. Alright, so there must be a school of kahawai swimming through, so we'll get our baits back in the water and get a few more of them. Phew.
Do a little bit of line out, bro.
What is it, Blake? Oh, hey, you're gonna make Corey jealous.
What's that?
Our friend here has just caught a gurnard. Sorry for the wind noise, guys. I've got the sock off at the moment. Nice carrot.
Half an hour starts again.
Half an hour starts again. We've got a bit of a limit. If we don't get any action for half an hour, we go home. Thank you, buddy.
I didn't want to go home yet.
Here you go for the walk out. Slippery. The slippery surfaces. And then we've got to climb all the way up there. Pull yourself up on the rope. A few ladders here. Whew.
But it is very steep. You probably won't see it in the camera. You get up there. Good fun. That's how we do it.
That's how we get out of here. It's been a good fish. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one. What do you reckon, Blake? Yoo!